Welcome to my channel. This is Dawn with Pink Chair Gaming, and this is day 16 of my 30-day challenge to create a festive island in 30 IRL days using no Nintendo Online. My goals for the island are to have at least 2 festive builds, have a 5-star island, and have at least 3 villagers that fit the island theme. In my last video, I was able to get a good bit of terraforming done on the island, and I think I'm about to get to a point where the only thing left to do is decorate. I still need to move the campsite to its final place, but I think I have all of the other buildings where they need to be. So today, I want to work on a custom design for my stand that's going behind my skating rink. So without further ado, let's get started. I was happy to see the little cruiser bike in Nooks today because that is a great item to have around the island. And I already found the perfect place to put it. Alright, in one of my previous videos, I had found 2 of the parts for a dinosaur, and today I found the 3rd piece. That actually didn't take too long to finish. And I like it. It looks good out here. I went ahead and got the campsite moving kit from Tom Nook, and we're going to place it up here on this 3rd tier at the back of the island. Alright, I've gotten all of my Nook miles for this day, so I'm going to go ahead and time travel to the next day. Now it's time to work on my custom code for my building. I found this awesome website through a Pinterest post, which I will be sure to link in the description below, that shows you step by step on how to make this custom code. It starts by showing you the pixels using the default color palette, so it's basically like a paint by number. Next, it shows you how to adjust each of the colors within the palette to get the correct colors for the finished design. Once you finish those, you're all done. Alright, I don't want to bore you and show you the entire process, but I will show you a little bit of it, and I'll meet you on the other side. Alright, I have my custom code. Now let's go work on my building. On my way down to the area where my building is at, I remembered I had not done my dailies, and when I went into the ABD in my online shopping, there is a truck. And I bet I debated for a good long while on whether or not to spend the bells on this. I think it would be a really cool item to have, and I'm pretty sure I can come up with a really neat idea to use it up in my shopping district. And in the end, I did break down and get the bells for it and purchase it. Alright, this is the area where my little building's going, and before I had just kind of placed some stuff here, kind of like placeholders. Now we're actually going to fix it and decorate it up. Let's replace these temporary panels with my new custom design panels. Next, I decided to trade out the covered counter for a stall that I custom designed with the same type of green stripe that my custom code has. Now I'm going to take a break to do some dailies, and we'll be back to work on this area a little more. Right, after finding another really cute outfit to wear, I decided I wanted to turn this little area to the left into a seating area. So first I'm going to extend out my custom codes. Next, I'm going to add a table and a couple of chairs. Then we'll add just a little bit of fencing just to kind of separate things out. Then I decided to finish it off by adding the hedge right behind it, and I think that looks really cute. And after looking at it for a few minutes, I decided to go ahead and continue the hedge all the way around the building, just to kind of separate it off from the rest of the area. I thought it needed just a little something more, so I went ahead and made a couple of festive trees to add to the back area. And there we have it. My little coffee shop is complete. I'm hoping to get a couple more items to add to the area later, but for now, this will work just fine. And with that, we are done with day 16 on my island. Tomorrow, my plan is to do a couple more custom codes from the same website as today and do a little more decorating. So if you don't want to miss any of that video, please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!